Welcome to MatheNatic. We are revising finances for paper 1 of grade 12 mathematics. In this video, we are going to determine the effective interest rate if the nominal rate is 16% per annum compounded monthly. So the solution is quite short, but I need you to remember that the equation for effective and nominal interest rate is not on your formula sheet, so you need to memorize this. So on the left-hand side, we have 1 plus IEFF, where IEFF represents the effective interest rate. And on the right-hand side, we have something that looks like compound interest, without an A and a P, but we have the nominal rate over n raised to the power of n. Now this n does not represent years, it represents the amount of compoundings. So that's our first substitution. We are compounding monthly, so that is why our n values here is 12. Next, 16% can be written as 0.16. So we take 16% or 16 and divide it by 100, and that becomes 0.16. So that's our second substitution. And what I'm doing in my second step is I'm moving this plus 1 to the right-hand side to become negative 1. And once I have this all set up, I use my calculator and it simplifies to 0.1722 and so on. But this now is the effective interest rate as a decimal. The question said find the effective interest rate. And we always leave our answers for interest rate as a percentage. So what you do is you take this decimal and you multiply that with 100. And if we round to 2 decimal places, we have 17.22%. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to MatheNatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.